So today's topic will be electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Yes. Mu yi bayani to understand atom, to understand chemistry, you need to understand electronic structure of atom. We have about 118 elements, which most of them we use about 10 mostly. So if you understand the electronic configuration of these atoms, you have understood chemistry. Now let's see how electrons are distributed in a given atom. Bari mu duba Bohr models. Bohr models assume that you have your nucleus here. In the nucleus, you have your proton and the neutron. Electrons su kuma suna zagaye, sorry ba sai mun zana yawan number of electron in the neutron ba. Electrons su kuma suna zagaye da nucleus. So, but su ma abin shells din they are of different energy level. Akwai wasu electrons suna nan suna zagaya a nan, wasu suna bayan su, wasu suna bi musu, etc. This is the understanding, this is the electronic distribution according to Bohr. So this is first shell, ana kiranta da K. This is second shell, ana kiranta da L. This is third shell, ana kiranta da M. In ka je fourth shell ita ma ana kiranta da N, etc. So kowace shell how many electron take ɗauka? You use this formula. This is the formula that you use that will tell you how many electron kowace shell take ɗauka. Where this N is this number 1, 2, 3, principal quantum number. So let us understand this first shell, how many electrons take ɗauka? That's K shell, where N is 1. So you see that you have 2 times 1 square, which is 2. So this K shell take maximum of 2 electrons. Then you go to L, where N is 2. You have 2, you substitute 2, N by 2. You have 2 times 4, right? Which is 8. So this L shell take maximum of what? 8 electron. You go to M. M also, N is 3. So how many electron you substitute for N? You have 2 times 9, right? You have 18 electrons. So this M take maximum of how many electrons? 18. You go to N when N is what? 4. Then you substitute for N, 4 square. Then you have 2 times 16, which is what? 32, etc. You go like this. This at the end, if you have we didn't draw it, it will take the maximum of 32 electrons. So electrons ɗin ba dukansu suna zagaya nucleus bane a layi na farko, a layi bayan layi suke. Layi na farko yana ɗaukar maximum 2 electron, layi na biyu yana ɗaukar 8, layi na uku yana ɗaukar 18, layi na hudu yana ɗaukar 32. Wannan layi su ake kira energy level ko shell. Kamar shell na albasa. Kaga albasa tana da shell, tana da bawa to su ma haka ake kiransu shells. Ko kuma energy level, ana kiransu energy level ko shells, duk sunansu ne. So this is the first energy level, this is second energy level, this is third energy level, then the one after it is the fourth energy level. So please understand this basic. Let us take this is a periodic table of element duka 118 din. So when electrons za mu ɗauka, bari mu ɗauki zinc. This is the zinc. It has 30 electrons. So let's see how the electronic configuration of atom in zinc yake. Misali, this is the nucleus where proton and neutron are located. We don't need to write them. The proton, mun san dai proton da neutron suna nan. So this is the first energy level. You write 2 electrons. In the first energy level, you go to the second energy level, you write 8 electrons. You go to the third energy level, you write how many electrons? You remember the third tana ɗauka 18. So you write the 18. So first kana da 2, 8, 18. How many? You have 28. You still have 2 electrons remaining. Then you go to for the fourth energy level. Then you write the 2 electrons. So this is electronic configuration of zinc. At the center, zinc yana da proton 30, neutron 30. Duk suna wuri ɗaya, su wa'annan ba ruwansu suna tsakiya wuri ɗaya, amma shi electrons, they are distributed according to Bohr models. Don't forget. According to Bohr model, electrons suna zagaya kamar shells ɗin albasa, kuma kowane shell tana da maximum number of electrons take ɗauka. Ta farko tana ɗauka 2, ta shell biyu tana ɗauka 8, shell ta uku tana ɗauka 18, shell ta hudu tana ɗauka maximum 32. So amma haka tunda we have just 2 electrons, we write them. But assuming we have 39 electrons, we write only 38. Sai mu je the next energy level, mu rubuta sauran electrons. So I think I should stop here with the Bohr models. I think these are all you need to know. Electronic configuration. Now we have the K, L, M, N, O, P, etc. This energy level, N is 1, N is 2, N is 3, N is 4, N is 5, N is 6. And to understand the maximum number of electrons for each, you use this formula. I show you how to use it. For this one, for the first one, you have 2 electrons, 8, 18, 32. For the 5, but we are substituting. 1 N is 5. 2 times 25. So you have 50 electrons for O energy level. So I think these are the things that you need to understand according to Bohr models. But tsarin electron actually kuma in actual sense ba haka yake ba. The modern view of electronic configuration was given by Schrödinger quantum mechanics. Shi ya kamata mu in the next topic. So please stay with us.